please ignore that I have eyeliner on one eye and not the other. I still have some left to do. I always pride myself for even waking up earlier in the afternoon instead of even in the morning. That is still a challenge. But if I wake up at like 12 or 2 instead of 4 p.m., that for me is an achievement. I'm done with this. I'm not gonna do too much. I prefer not to. My hair looks like a mess because I haven't brushed it out ever since I woke up. And I kind of just like, I feel like if I brush it out, it's gonna be all flat. I could also do it like this. I don't know. So I have been working on a bridesmaid order. I've made like four already, and I have to ship those out today. But the rest I will have to do at like sometime in March. Alongside two brooches. I still don't know how to pronounce that. But yeah, I've also had to make two of those. One was a really cute little beer brooch and the other was a cat brooch. So I still have to finish putting the pin on the cat brooch and just packing it, and then I have to put all those boxes in one big box and I have to ship that out. So for the past 6 days, my sister and I have been having hibiscus tea before we go to bed, and oh my god, the way I would recommend that to anyone and everyone, y'all have hibiscus tea. The things I'll highly recommend for like before bedtime activities is definitely get a lamp that just has this nice warm light, or just get one of those bulbs that you can change the light of, and get hibiscus tea. Those two things in that combination, they just do something. I feel like a lamp just has that sense of it's gonna set you up for the night, like okay, it's actually time to unwind now. Like there's a change in lighting. It's kind of how humans throughout history were, you know, aware that it's bedtime because the sun would go down, so there's like, oh, there's a shift in lighting. And I feel like lamps do that really well. But to get sleepy and in that headspace of sleepy, a lamp just fixed it for me. I don't know, I'm going off about a lamp so much, but that's just, I highly recommend that stuff. Time to get to the cat brush. Way better. So I'm gonna take these, put them all in one big box and then ship it out. We're in the room where I have basically lived more technically of my own cozy life, private life. If you know me, my love for sunlight is it knows no bounds. So I'm gonna open the door to let more light in. Something that I highly recommend is getting a softboard for your room. This is my little softboard with all these things, postcards from Jaipur. I'll put a link to where you can get yours. Stop! You're scaring me. Oh, what are the jumps? There's a spider here that's been freaking the hell out of my sister and me. So we're just trying to like get it. Mom! Okay. Mom. You're doing really well. Going to empty some boxes so I can put all the other boxes in. I see. Really good. Yeah. Thanks, Mom. We have a cardboard box. Yay. Alright. Ow. Nice. Okay, now we need a lot of bhusa situation. I'll keep this. This is nice, but we can use a lot of this. This is repurposed. I love to repurpose bubble wrap. It's useful for moments like these. Snuggly dip in them. Oh wow! We have exactly what we need for this. That's too much though. Alright. Cool. Look at that. Woo! Slay! So we're done packaging. The box is inside this big box, but I will go out to ship it out a little bit later. I think the lady who comes to pick them up isn't there yet, so when she's not there, I also can't really submit it. So I'll wait for her to come back, and when she's here, I'll send these. Realizing this is a good time for me to talk. There's relatively less traffic out on the road. I'm gonna incorporate this time for speaking more often now. Let me show you the moon phone charms that my sister and I made yesterday. I mean, technically I made all of them, but she helped me shade with the white paint over it that I kind of do. Let me show you. So there is some, I don't know if you can tell, there is some white paint over these. So she helped me get some of that on there. I don't think you can see the contrast very well in this direct sunlight. It's not really helping show how much contrast there is on these, but there is a lot of contrast on them. I was thinking about making them into earrings, but for some reason I'm like not doing that. Although now when I look at it, it looks beautiful. I feel like a witch. Slay. A few more orders to finish, but I don't feel like today is the day where I can get them all done. I dropped these, by the way, in the next drop. I think these are so beautiful. Something about them is just so cool. I don't know. I think the 8 ball just has such aura. By the way, I have to take like 4 takes of me saying anything so it makes into the video without constant interruption with traffic and dishwashing sounds right now. Considering though, if I should finish at least a part of my remaining orders, I think that would be great, but then I feel like I would like to film that. Okay, you know what, why not? Let's do it. I think I'm done for now. I am exhausted already. I have no idea why my energy is so low these days. Today is one of those low energy days, but I do think I got a significant chunk of stuff still done. I got the big package out. Well, not entirely yet. I haven't shipped it out, but I got it done. I've been working a lot last night, yesterday, all day yesterday. So I think I should allow myself a bit of a break today. I should prioritize my health. So yeah, I think this is good enough for today though. I will say I've been productive still, and I'm proud of myself regardless. Guys, I just got done dropping off the box at the delivery post office. Now I am back to editing my video and my vlog, part of what I'm filming right now. Man, nothing like fresh natural orange juice.
I'm using these coasters I got made by a small business, Crochet Threads, and they're just so cute. I use them all the time, all day, every day. I'm using it for my juice.
The billionaire. Put the oyster fork at an angle. History Channel. Be strong.
All these celebrations make amazing.